Let me hear the last part of the hook so I can hear the last word he said.
Wait a minute, you on this verse though, remember?
Yeah, I'm in the verse, yeah.
Oh.
Alright.
Ready? I had a few other folks say the same thing, bro. I got one from the water tank. Look. You know what happened. I don't have to tell, man. I wasn't even trying.
Hey, bitch, you come.
Yeah, that nigga beat the brakes off.
Damn, it ain't sweet.
Yeah?
Right
Yeah. Man, called a man out. Thought already.
Man, dog.
Yeah, called a man out.
I wasn't admitted to it, dog.
I admitted to it. Tell him give me that though.
Yeah.
Oh boy, young went to shark school, pool shark school.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I'm still on fire.
for real.
I went over the old spring smash. See,
So how much you playing the ball?
charity. Okay,
See, I ain't too fun of losing, though.
yeah. So you better not play me then.
No, look, man, hold on. I already beat your son to sleep. You still asleep? Last time I came home. He still
My
asleep.
son will beat his homeboy out of $2. I stopped it. I'm like, man.
Well, the horrible
He
sight,
gambling
dog.
my son won for 10.
It's a horrible sight, dog. I feel bad, dog.
Beat him
I feel bad.
out of shoes. You get beat by my son, man.
I feel bad, dog. I ain't know what to say.
Yeah.
I ain't know what to say. He couldn't even rap by no hard shit no more.
So yeah, get him love song. Yeah. Alright.
Damn. Homie, what you playing the ball? $100 ball?
Oh man. I empty your pockets at $100.
How you figure that? You know what I'm saying? You ain't never seen me shoot pool.
I don't give that much.
Okay, alright.
I go hang.
Okay,
I
alright.
had food shops talking crazy to me and get
Fuck pool sharks. I don't give a damn about their ass either. Fuck a pool, fuck a professional. I don't give a fuck.
Hey,
All of them.
I like the way you talk.
I love it.
Let's give you that little boost. Get encouraged.
Yeah, it look calm. For $100 ball, I swear to God, I ain't missing. I ain't missing.
If I miss, I'm finna whoop your ass and you make it.
I might push the ball in there, dog.
After about the first 4-5 shots, you gonna be crying then, goddamn.
Man, what the fuck? That first word gonna come out of my mouth.
You cheating.
Hell no.
You cheating.
I never thought I'd be this famous in a million years.
Levi boy. Nigga say he ain't rocking number Levi from now on. Levi hat, Levi jacket, Levi draw, Levi socks. They got shoes.
Red.
He gonna get Levi tatted in his dreads.
I'd have been down, I'd have been cheated on. Never thought my people would do
You ain't gonna find a dude named Levi. I don't like folk with dreads.
Never thought I'd been a million years. Then I be stressing, gotta hustle, jealous what I feel. Because these pussy niggas, they won't let a nigga sleep. That's why I always keep my eyes on my enemies. And get this paper, I don't need no one, I'm so low. With a fofo and a bad hoe. I try to find that little bitch, couldn't find the bitch, streets what I know. I asked the Lord to help us serve. And no one answer. It hurts so bad, it's killing me, dog. Like I got cancer. Hope rapping make my dreams appear. I never thought I'd be this famous in a million years.
Alright, you wanna hear it?
Oh shit.
Well, they going nationwide. They going worldwide. YouTube.
Yeah, it's going the other planets we don't know about too.
We going to Planet X.
Yeah, Planet X.
They going to Planet X. That's a new planet.
They got something another planet because you know Pluto ain't.
They canceled Pluto.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they got another planet for real?
Yeah, they call it Planet X.
How far is it? Is it past Pluto?
It's somewhere.
No, it's close to
Earth.
Earth. It comes in so many times and
Oh, for real?
Come in so many times.
500 years, something like that.
So what?
25.
2,500 years?
Yeah, and they don't go around houses. They go like above.
Above, yeah.
They go like over.
Oh, so that motherfucker just out there floating.
Well, might hit us one day.
It's in orbit though. It's in orbit.
It's in orbit.
Oh, I'm gonna have to go Google that. That's what Google for.
That's where's it at?
It's called Planet Nabu.
Yeah, New Brew.
And I just learned about it.
Oh man.
My niece schooled me on it when she was 6th grade.
For real?
Because I was like, there ain't no Planet X. And she said it was.
They've been.
I wonder if they're gonna ever try to go to that motherfucker when they get close again.
Oh,
Hell no.
2,500 years out. It might take them 5 years to get to that motherfucker.
That's what they say. That's just they say be
About
changing
5.
the earth and shit.
Yeah.
That little planet.
You say that would be changing the Earth?
Yeah, that's what they say.
How close it get to the Earth? That's what I'm saying.
Right there?
It going.
It get close. It don't hit the earth.
Yeah.
It get close enough for some gravitational ass shit.
Yeah.
I'm saying why that bitch getting close, the motherfucker gonna try to go up in that motherfucker. What the fuck's on here?
They won't fuck
That
that.
could be the
They fuck around there on that bitch. They ain't gonna find that back.
Megatron out there, motherfucker. Megatron gonna come take over.
That's what they said. They said that was supposed to be like the original
God,
people.
man, or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People who made humans, whatever.
Oh boy, they coming with that sci-fi shit.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like to me.
Yeah,
but
Hey, so how do they know?
Hey, you know what?
You can't even get on the planet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Then you don't know. It's every 25,000 years. They say 25,000.
It's like,
Who been there?
but I don't believe that. I don't know. But I say the planet might do cause like natural events like ice age or something. It might cause another ice age or something. You feel me?
As if we ever had that.
Cause it's coming close. Oh, we had an ice age before.
Who said?
That was the Great Lakes and Stokes come from.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
History, boss.
Yep.
I'm on that.
Yeah, but we didn't really have an ice age on the whole planet.
No, it's not.
Certain
The whole,
areas.
it ain't the
Certain
whole
areas.
planet.
Yeah.
Ice age ain't really covering the whole planet. Ice age
Right,
is
that
like,
was only dealing with parts of the planet.
Yeah, it's
so
part.
it's not really like an ice age. They try to make it look like the whole planet was frozen.
yeah. You gonna be cold though.
I know one thing.
My heat better work.
Oh,
Much
okay.
we
They-
paid. But we just put in an AC unit. I think that mug called like 4 racks, 3-4 racks. Man, that mug better be heavy duty, man.
Oh, I tell
Burning
you.
bonfires and barrels inside.
Man,
Shit.
You gonna be cold.
They're gonna be underground.
yeah, I know where our world's supposed to end this year. Was it December 21st?
Billionaire, man, they building underground mansions. Dog.
Yeah.
The world like end.
What's the date it's supposed to end? December 21st. Yeah, it's supposed to be in what, 96?
No, 2012.
Yeah, it's it.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Then the dude predicted in 96.
December 21st.
Yeah, that's when it's supposed to end.
2012, yeah.
That's
Oh,
going
yeah.
by that's going by a Mayan calendar.
Yeah.
That ain't nothing.
Yeah, that just when they died. That means if y'all believe that they saying 2012, at the end of 2012, we gonna burn.
But see, they looking at the Mayan shit. That when they died off, cause they just got to change the calendar. You know what I'm saying? They was gone back then. That's what it was left on.
It just did.
Yeah, but
They're finna keep going. They just
25,000 years, everything gonna
Everything
change.
changed every 25,000 years.
But that's how the Quran is too.
Yeah.
The Quran speaks of every 25,000 years,
That's just
everything changes.
That's all right.
But that don't mean it's the end of everything.
Yeah. Something ain't gonna end.
Yeah. DJ Studio. You wanna hear
Big
that?
Dog ENT, Street Mentality,
Okay.
Money Long Ball, Mob ENT. You just chilling.
I don't want to sit down.
I ain't never liked to read in school, but I be reading shit
Oh,
now.
I read outside school, dog. You gotta read, dog. That was
I watch
power,
news.
bro, music, fam.
Yeah.
You gotta read. Gotta read. Stay on the Discovery Channel.
Yeah.
You gotta watch some goddamn information.
I watch YouTube. Anything I want to know, I go to Google and YouTube.
I heard about the red planet that they call it. I heard about that a long time ago, man.
They can kiss my ass.
Because I was deep in the study and all that stuff.
Yeah.
I just like shit like that.
Jealous what I feel.
All I know is I'd be glad they made marijuana legal. That's all I'm saying.
And man, people tweet me about that all the time. Join this group. We're gonna legalize marijuana. I did too. A number, yeah.
They call you, tell you crazy. Yes, if you want the marijuana legalized, I'll pray.
We will not give your information out.
I swear, everybody Christian.
That shit still ain't legal.
Call that number one. I got cancer.
Man, wake your ass up, man. Call that number. Obama gonna legalize this shit. That nigga gonna do.
I didn't know you talking about that for real, but he's joking.
They ain't gonna do it for
Obama gonna legalize marijuana, but
they can't do it.
they would love a black man.
Forever.
That's what they would love to say.
A black man legalize marijuana.
They was like, yeah, he a real brother, man. See what I'm talking about? I'm gonna vote for him.
He admitted he inhaled it. Back was it? I think college.
And the way that hook come in go hard though, and the way it go whack and
Whatever.
lead into his verse.
If he smoked weed back then, there's a big possibility he smoked weed right now.
Because it ain't then I'm gonna get better. Well,
Coke.
he the president, man. Motherfucker, they supplying him with the best shit. Hey, hold on, homie. This ain't what we ordered. He go to California and get it from the medical people.
on the bag. That's president. You know what I'm saying?
I am Obama. Please don't bring it.
My fellow weedman, this is Obama.
Hey man, the dude that work at that stay in the shelter I work at, man, that man got an Obama speech. That shit is hilarious. Man, he from Oklahoma. Ohio.
Obama speech.
He a Republican.
What you doing down here?
He don't like Obama. He got a speech about Obama. Recorded on his phone, man. They come in there talking about Hey, I be tripping out at work, man. He be making them people mad. He told us, I promise you more jobs. Hey, that man be tripping me out, man. I have to tell him send it to my phone so y'all can hear it. He be
What else we got?
You gotta, I go next. You gotta, we dropping the hook and going straight in.
He just put the hook behind me so the hook gonna be.
Oh yeah, I just did that, but you know, y'all tell me what you want.
If you put the hook behind him, then it's great.
Alright, then what you doing about 8 balls or something like that?
Hell no. I got about.
It be 6 minutes. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, it's long, damn beat.
Mine.
We gonna run every bit of it though.
Mine gonna go through. He gonna go through. I probably had a little bit of. I don't know.
Yeah, but for his verse.
Oh yeah. See, we gonna go back to back though. Your mind be about midway.
Sure it's long.
Here to make it. We'll make it.
Yeah, we gotta make it.
Nigga said break.
We gotta make it.
You gonna have to do 8.
My money long.
That sound like an ending on this. Yeah, about 6 football. Okay, here we go.
See, all that's gonna be beat. It's playing right there. Until it fade off at the end, at the very end.
Man, if you got 2 more rappers on it, there ain't gonna be no fading off. They're gonna ride all the way to the end.
That's what I'm saying. That's the whole point.
Okay.
Yeah. They gonna kill the beat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something different.
Yeah.
Who say we had to do it by the books? Even if the book say that shit, fuck it. We write our own shit.
That black people. Oh man, take a black man.
Signing out, boss.